Repeat.
As you can see, this entire area is going to be cleaned up again. We've cleaned it already. We will go ahead and seal these damaged portions. There's a cut here, so we don't want to take any risk. So again, I've opened the tape to a certain extent. I have this, which I will pull as and when I'm applying it. So once it's clean and dust free, let's clean again, and let's keep it right here at this edge, because we do not want it sticking onto the damp proof, which is actually peeling because it's a new layer. It might take a while for it to dry fully, in spite of the Bangalore summer. So we are pulling this. This is all kept ready. We have a little bit of a crack here which we need to address. Certain portion of this which has not come out. Drive it in.
Last thing also.
Problematic. Let's go ahead. Let's go ahead and cut the blade. Here's blade. Here's the blade. Applied. Hopefully shouldn't have any leakage here. Now for these little cuts.
Some piece thing, some piece gun. Bigger. So you got it.
Let's apply this right here. Wait a minute.
Where कर gap सोन का सच वैर गलम चिकटी पे इनका टक्कर तो शिंते हैं पीसते हैं Then next.
Yeah.
Vashana. The glass no this. Chinta good dagal drop. Kasanda te gellal kaden gal ni do. That mean. Tem galche barre essa porção. Tem que dar lá.
Tem isso,